Today we are going to discuss how to restore your PC from a restore point. First, what is restore point? How it will be working. Restoring your PC undoes recent changes that might be problems occurs if you think a recently installed app, driver or update for Windows could be problems occurs. You might get things running normally again by restoring your PC to an earlier point is called a restore point. Sometimes using system restore is our only option left when dealing with PC problems. Restoring from a restore point won't affect your personal files, but it will remove apps, drivers, and updates settings that were installed after the restore point was created. System restore works for changes made in the last 7 to 14 days. To restore your PC from a restore point, in the search box and the taskbar, type restore point. Then select create a restore point. On the system protection tab, select system restore. If you don't see any restore points, it might be because system protection is not turned on. To turn down system protection, on the system protection tab, select configure. If you click on configure, you will get turned on system protection option. Then you can enable turned on system protection option. Now I'll show you how to create a restore point, then how to restore your PC from a restore point. In the search box on the taskbar, type restore, then select create a restore point from the list of results. On the system protection tab, select system restore. But system restore option is disappeared because we don't have a system restore point. Now we are going to create new restore point. So how did you create? First you should configure turned on system protection. Under system protection you will get configure option. Click on configure, then only you can able to create turned on system protection option. But you are selecting data drive. You should select operating system partition, then only you can make it as a turned on system protection. Now I'm going to click cancel. Click on my operating system drive, then click configure. Now you can enable turned on system protection. Click OK to continue. Before that, move the slider in order to adjust the amount of space that system restore will use. Whatever size you are given, in order for system restore to work properly, each partition that a system restore enable require at least 300 MB in order to work. So I'm going to give 20 GB. Then click apply to continue. Click OK to continue. Now you can able to create restore point. Now click on create. Here you can give any name. After given name, the current date and time are added automatically. Now I'm going to give new restore point. Then click create to continue. Creating a restore point, it will take not more than second. Within 10 seconds you will get a restore point. See here, the restore point was created successfully. Click close to continue. Now see here, previous it was system restore is disappear. Now you can able to restore your PC from a restore point. Now, in case after two days or 3 days or a week, your system problems occurs, what will do? Come here under system protection, you will get system restore option. Click on system restore. Then click next to continue. See here, your system restore point was there. Select the restore point. Then click next to continue. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event in the description field below. If you have many restore point, you can choose any one of the restore point. It will goes to the previous restore point. Now your system restore point will work properly. This is how you can restore your PC from a restore point. Now click finish to continue. Once started, system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? Yes. If you give yes, your system will restart. Then only your restore point will be affected. So far, we have seen how to restore your PC from a restore point. So we have seen how you can restore your PC from a restore point. Please stay tuned for our next video.